In this case, the prosecution asserts that the accused falsely represented that he was in a position to organize a trip to Tsavo. The evidence of PW1 and PW2 clearly demonstrates that this representation was false. PW1 testified that the accused assured her that the trip was organized, while PW2, the actual safari provider, revealed that the accused had not made proper arrangements and misrepresented the payment situation. Then ingredient number 2 is obtaining money. The accused must have obtained money as a result of false pretense. PW2 testified that she paid Kenya shillings 124 via M-Pesa. PW4, the investigating officer, confirmed this. Further, the accused himself admitted to having received the money. The element is clearly established. Then there is intent to defraud. The accused actions and conduct strongly suggests an intent to defraud. His failure to make proper arrangements for the safari, his misrepresentation of the payment situation to PW2, and his subsequent attempts to pressure the complainant to pay additional funds indicate a deliberate scheme to deceive her. Knowledge of falsity. The accused is a self-proclaimed tour guide. He knew or ought to have known the procedures of booking a safari. He knew he had not made proper arrangements with Mr. Juma. He knew he was asking for money for services he had not secured. Causation. The money must have been obtained because of false pretense. PW1 gave the accused money because she believed he was organizing the safari. Her payment of Kenya shillings 124 was directly caused by the accused's false pretense. Then there's an analysis of the accused's defense, which I will not go into the details. I jump to the attitude and conduct of the accused. The accused's conduct throughout the trial has been deeply concerning. He demonstrated a clear lack of respect for the court and a blatant disregard for the court's time and procedures. At different points, he claimed to have his advocate was unavailable, and that he himself was unwell, only to contradict these statements shortly after. The proceedings of 11th July 2024 and 8th August 2024 clearly paint a picture of a man who has no respect for the rule of law. Therefore, it is not surprising that when the matter came up for judgment on 13th of March 2025, the accused was not present, citing illness as the reason for his absence. However, no details of the illness were provided, nor were any medical records submitted in relation to the absence on 13th of March 2025. Overall, his conduct, marked by dishonesty and casual attitude towards the legal process, is deeply troubling. So, relationships and financial transactions. This case highlights the grave dangers of mixing personal relationships with financial transactions. The accused attempt to exploit a perceived close relationship with the complainant to defraud her is a gross breach of trust. Relationships, regardless of their nature, should never be used as a tool for financial manipulation or deceit. It is imperative that individuals maintain clear boundaries and that they ensure that financial transactions are conducted with transparency and integrity. Then Malindi and the larger Kilifi County remain safe and welcoming destinations for both local and international tourists. This region is committed to maintaining a secure environment where visitors can enjoy a rich culture and natural offerings without fear of fraudulent activities. The actions of the accused in this case do not reflect the values or standards upheld by the local community, and fraudulent activities of any kind will not be tolerated. Both local authorities and tourism stakeholders are dedicated to ensuring that Malindi and Kilifi County continue to be safe spaces for travelers where their rights and interests are protected. So the court finds that the prosecution has proved its case beyond reasonable doubt. The accused, Kenneth Njoroge Minor, knowingly and fraudulently obtained Kenya shillings 124,800 from Garalani Shiara by falsely pretending he could organize a trip to the Tsavo. His defense is a web of lies and contradictions designed to mislead the court. Verdict: the accused Kenneth Njoroge Minor is hereby found guilty as charged. He is convicted accordingly. A copy of the judgment shall be obtained from the CTS. You can download it there. The probation office to file a pre-sentencing report. Sentencing on 2nd of April 2025. Accused to be remanded at Malindi GK prison pending sentencing.